Assalamu alaikum dear students. This is Mujahid Hussain. Hoping all is well. Dear students, as you know, currently we are learning about MS Excel, and today's our topic is how to insert page break in worksheet. So for that, first of all, let's know what is a page break. Page break used to preview page where the page breaks when the page is printed. Means when you want to print a page, then you want to see where the next page or where your next data will be printed. So in this learning unit we will cover the procedure of inserting, deleting, moving page breaks from one position to one location to one area to another area, and then in last when this video lecture will be completed, you will able to know the page breaks, insertion, deletion and moving page breaks. So page breaks are dividers that divide a worksheet into separate pages. For printing, MS Excel insert automated pages breaks used a paper size, margin size, setting, scale options and the position of any manual page breaks that are inserted. So like we have our page, we have a sheet in which marks obtained in our subjects there are by students, and the number of columns and number of rows are available. So here we will see I am getting the same data from the very beginning. You can also work on this data, but we have to work and we have to know that how can we insert a page. So first of all, what you have to do, just select the data. Yes, I have selected the data. Then go to view and then see the page break. Here workbook view, then click on this page break preview. When you click here, then you will see that this is a page number 1. If you increase the size of this one, then you will know that this is a page number 2 or page number 3. For suppose I am selecting all the columns and just increasing the size of this one. Now see, I have increased the size of a sheet, then this is a page number 1 and this is page number 2. When you will print out, then you will get 2 different pages like this one. And also if you want to select the rows and if you want to increase the size of the rows, then you can also see the same thing which we have seen in columns. So I am increasing the size. Now see here page number 1, page number 2, page number 3 and page number 4. These are the 4 pages because of the size. So you can see the data which you want to print, that either that will be printed on one page or that will be printed on more than one page. This is a page break preview. And now if you want to break the data, break the page, like you want to see, you have a lot data and you want to see to different pages, like I have different names in which if we see Noman, Ahmad, Aslam, Saddam, Rizwan, Hassan, out of these I want to see 3 on one page and 3 on 2 or 3 on one page and 2 or 3 on page number 2. So what will I do? Just I will go to page layout. I will go to page layout. Then I will just click on this page break. So from here you can see insert page break, remove page break. So first of all I will insert the page break. So when I click this one, now I have got 2 pages, page number 1 and page number 2 in front of us on the screen. So page number 1, 2 names on the page number 1 and 4 names on page number 2. This is a page break. So if you want to break this one horizontally or vertically, so you can do, means horizontally means if you want to break the rows and vertically means if you want to break the columns. Like I want to break this one, so what will I do? Same way, just I will insert from here. Now see, I have different pages. So page number 1, page number 2, page number 3, page number 4, page number 5 and page number 6. These are the different pages are available on the screen. So let's see, I am showing here. I have selected this one. Just I will go through breaks and then I will press, or I will just click on this insert page break. Then this horizontal line shows that your page is broke and your page is divided into two pages. So now you can see through view and just click on the preview. Now you can see page number 1 and page number 2. Like that one, you can also split the columns. Like if I want to see student's name, physics, chemistry on one page, maths, computer and English on another one. So what will I do? In the same way, just I will go through the page layout, then I will go through break and just I will press insert. So again, if you want to see, then just click on view and then click on page break preview. Now you can see the page is divided into two parts, two pages. This is a page break. Like I have broke this one. Now I can remove this one. So for removing this one, what you have to do, just go through the page layout and then breaks, reset all page. Now the breaking line have removed, which is now not appeared on this page layout. So this is about the page break and preview. How can you break the page and how can you preview the page, how much number of pages are available and what the data you have, on how many number of pages will be printed, and either that is right or not. If you want to add the more settings, then you can do that one manually. Hope you may understand. Is there any question, then comment and ask me. I am available for you. Stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.